Hello students, what's up guys? Hopefully everyone will be fine watching this video. So students, today I'm going to discuss the topic that is converting fractions with you. We already have studied in the previous videos that there are three types of fractions. Number one is proper fraction, number two is improper fraction, and number three is mixed number or mixed fraction. So today we are gonna discuss how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed number and vice versa, like how to convert mixed number into an improper fraction. So today we have first question: change improper fraction. What we are going to do, we are going to change improper fraction to a mixed number. So we are given here with a question part A, 23 divides by 4. This is an improper fraction. Let me tell you how we can see this is an improper fraction if we are not given with the name 23 over 4, or we can say 23 divides 4. Here 23 is the numerator, and when the numerator is greater than denominator, this type of fraction is known as improper fraction. So solution: here we are going to solve this question. We can solve it by simple division method. That is quite easy. We just have to divide these two numbers. We will take 23 as a dividend and 4 as a divisor. We will see. Now we know that 4 multiplied by 5 equals to 20. So right here 20, after subtracting we will get 3, and the quotient is 5. So after division we can write 23 by 4 as such as, first of all we will write the quotient as a whole number, 5 whole number, then numerator is the remainder 3, and then is the denominator, that is 4. So this is quite easy. This is remainder of any division, and this is divisor, and 5 is quotient. So we can write 23 upon 4 as 5 whole 3 by 4. So this is how we can convert an improper fraction into a mixed number. So let's see another example. So let's take B part of the question as 62 divides by 8. Now we are going to convert this improper fraction into a mixed number. So let's see. Let's go with the method number 1. Method number 1, that is simple division. Okay, take 62 as dividend, 8 as divisor. Then we know that 8 6 are 56, 8 6 are 48, 8 7 are 56, and 8 8 are 64. That will not work here, so we choose 8 7 are equals to 56. After subtracting we will get 6 as your answer. So now you are well aware, we will write 62 upon 8 as, first of all we will write quotient as a whole number, 7 whole number, and then is the remainder as a numerator, and 8, that is divisor, as a denominator. So this is how we can convert an improper fraction into a mixed number. So now method number 2. Let's take the method number 2. So now I'm gonna tell you how you can simplify it into mixed number without actual division. So you just have to look at the numerator and you just have to figure out which number below 62 is the multiple of 8. So as I have already written here, 56 is that number that is multiple of 8. We will divide 56 by 8 and then we will write plus. After subtracting 56 from 62 we will get 6. So this is how we can write this fraction. After solving, if you are well aware of the addition of a fraction, you will be aware that we will get 8 as a LCM and 56 plus 6 equals to 62 upon 8. So this is how you can add. So we are not gonna add, but actually we are solving. After this, after simplification of these two, this fraction, we will get 7 plus 6. We can simplify this too, but no, we are not gonna simplify it. So 7 plus 6, we can exclude this 7 as 6 over 8. So this is how we can convert an improper fraction into a mixed number. If the question is to convert this mixed number into simplified form, you can do without any problem. 7 whole, we can divide 6 and 8 by 2 easily, 3 upon 4. So this is simplified form. Simplified form of mixed fraction. That's it. So now I'm going to discuss the third example, how to convert improper fraction to a mixed number, so that you can make your proper concept of converting improper fraction into a mixed number. So let's see. Method number 1 was division method. So this is how we are going to divide 35 with 2. When we divide 35, we will get 34 when we multiply 2 by 17. So 35 subtract 34 equals 1. So now we can write improper fraction as, so our whole number will be our quotient, 17 whole, and 1 is our numerator, that is remainder, and 2 is our denominator. So this is how we convert an improper fraction to a mixed number. So now let's start method number 2. That is very easy for me. Hopefully you will like this method too. If you are not okay with method number 2, you can use method number 1. 35 divided by 2. I already have said in the video that you have to find the multiple, the last multiple of the denominator in the numerator. So I am well aware that 34 is the multiple of 2, and after taking 34 from 35 we will left with only 1 and 1 by 2. 34 divides by 2 after simplifying. After simplifying we will get 17 plus 1 upon 2. We can exclude this positive sign, so this is how we can convert improper fraction into a mixed number.